Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina, and today is verse day from Experiencing God book. This is week 2. Did y'all learn your verse from last week? I think I've got it down, but we're going to read this week's verse. I hope you will learn it. I hope you'll put it to memory and do a little Bible study this week. So this one on my version says, "Some take pride in chariots and others in horses, but we take pride in the name of our Lord our God." Psalms 27. Now, in some other versions, instead of pride, it does say trust. Some trust in chariots and others in horses, but we trust in the name of our Lord our God. So it's whichever way you like it, whatever version you want to use. Psalms 27, as some of the kids in our church say, 20.7, you know, because of the little dot dots. It gets confusing. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoy this. I hope you put it to heart, and y'all have a wonderful day. God bless.